Welcome to Business Live. I'm Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we got Producers Jamaica, the company out west. That ticker symbol, CPJ, trading in their shares. It's a sale here. A large one, Connected Party, selling down 5.5 million shares and change. Transaction happened April 20th, 2021. Now, NCB Financial Group, the leader in the financials in Jamaica, whether it's commercial banks, securities dealers, and so forth, making a change here. This is a dividend announcement, and it refers to announcements previously done April 1st and April 7th, 2021. It goes on to say at a board meeting scheduled for April 29th, 2021, which is actually this week, it's now advising that the board of directors is going to be asked to consider a dividend. And this is going to boost confidence, in our opinion, on Business Live in the markets, because NCB is the leader in the markets, and this is quite a change as compared to the time period, the pandemic pinch, as we call it, for the past 12 months or so. Now, next up, we got the Jamaica Stock Exchange. We got of course, the indices, the index exchange itself, but the company is separate. It is a company that is listed. So the annual report for 2020, the JSE says it's going to be delayed. So this is an advisory that, in light of the COVID-19 pandemic, the JSE has been adopting measures to handle the outbreak, accordingly being compliant with the government of Jamaica measures. As a result of this, the annual report, very important for investors to read, and analysts, market makers, etc., is going to be submitted on or before June 15th, 2021. Now, Fesco Limited is now listed. It happened last week, Friday, or so forth. April 23rd, 2021. It's now listed and trading on the JSE. Last up here tonight, a tidbit here. Netflix. Yes, they missed their earnings, but they grabbed 7 Academy Awards, the Oscars. Very significant statistic here. So the recent earnings, we spoke about that too last week, missing expectations, hurting the stock price 6-8% or so. But what is huge about this, something that is not necessarily their earnings? Well, to build on the digital platform, and just shows you how important it is. This doubles, this take home alone doubles more or less Netflix Academy Awards, just the Oscars awards overall, to roughly about 15, based on where they're coming from. Now, Netflix only got going in 2013, and based on last night, Netflix took home 7 awards compared to Disney. Look how long Disney has been around for, the traditional, the classic Disney. So that's 7 versus 5 for Disney. And Netflix, as we said, has only been around since 2013 in terms of getting their first Oscar nomination. Of course, they were around before that, but when did they get their first Academy nomination? 2013. So between 2013 to now, look at how far Netflix has come, not just the earnings, the revenues, but with a stat like this, or a stat line like this now, in terms of where they are with the Oscars. Amazing stuff. Probably in this case now, with what the pandemic has done, hurting some of the more traditional studios. We see Disney trying to catch up with Disney Plus, lots of other things. But the point is, Netflix leading the way here, taking home 7 Oscars. Amazing stat. Look at some of these stats as an investor. I'm Croskery. This is Business Live.